How can I keep my subscribers best informed of my company's opportunities? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new subscriber in Mailchimp. Then we'll be formatting the data and composing an email using the AI Wizard by Workload. And finally, we'll be sending an email with an attachment in Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We'll give our workflow a title. This is going to be Mailchimp subscriber to AI Wizard to Gmail with attachment. And I'm going to click on my trigger box to select my trigger app, which is going to be Mailchimp. And the event is going to be new subscriber. I'm going to make sure I'm connected to Mailchimp. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. The list ID that I want to add the subscriber to is my workload list. And I'm going to test the trigger. So we have a new subscriber here, Jerry Richardson, and we'll use that subscriber to build this workflow. So I'm going to click continue. For my first action, I'm actually going to use our tools. So I'm going to click on the tools icon. I'm going to select the AI Wizard by Workload. I'm going to prompt your data. And the first thing we need to do is pull some of the details from the trigger out so that we can use them in later steps. So the input data is going to be this merge fields array. And I'm going to copy a prompt, turn this array into an object. Then we'll test this action. And now all that information about our subscriber has been pulled out of the array. So I'm going to add a step. Now I'm going to use the AI Wizard again to compose an email to send to our subscribers. So in this instance, the input data is going to come from that step 2, and it's going to be the name of our subscriber. I'm going to paste in a prompt. Compose an email welcoming this person to our mailing list. Thank them for signing up and say that they can reach out if they have any questions. Use best regards, Elliot Rhodes, President of the World, as the closing. Click continue and test this action. So now we have an email. Dear Jerry Richardson, thank you for signing up for our mailing list. We are thrilled to have you join us. If you have any questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out. Best regards, Elliot Rhodes, President of the World. And they gave us the subject for our email as well. Click continue. We're going to add one more step. This is going to be in Gmail. And the event is going to be send email with attachment. Make sure we're connected to Google. 2 is going to come from step 1. We're going to use the email address here. If I want, I can add a BCC or CC. I'll go ahead and CC this to myself. The subject we can pull from that step 3. Welcome to our mailing list. The body is going to come from step 3. And then the attachment is going to be a PDF file I created that I want my subscribers to see. Here we have our PDF file. I'm going to click on the share button. I have to make sure that it has access to anyone with a link, that I can copy that link and paste that into the attachments. We'll click continue and we'll test this action. And that was a success. So we'll click continue. I can go over to my Gmail and I can see this email was sent as a CC to my email address with the subject and the body content we got from the AI Wizard, and then our attachment as well. So it looks like our workflow worked correctly. can come back over to the workload editor. I can check and make sure there's a green dot in the top left corner of each of my nodes. Then I can activate my workflow. And now every time I get a new subscriber to this particular list in Mailchimp, then the AI wizard will reformat the data and compose an email to then send with an attachment in Gmail. That's how you can use the AI wizard by Workload to compose an email with an attachment and send it to a new subscriber in Mailchimp. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, and click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.